What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to sign up or join Outlier.ai in order to be able to view and join or apply for the tasks available. Now here is their homepage, Outlier.ai. Now you have a couple of options here. If you already have an account, you can click on login here and then enter your information, email and password, or continue with Google if you have done so. However, if you don't have an account, and that's what they are saying here, if you don't have an account, you can check their opportunities from here or from the view opportunities button at the top right on their home screen. So I'm going to click on view opportunities, and here are all the opportunities or like tasks that are available. Now you can further filter them by type, languages, specialist, coders, and generalist to more specify what you can do. So I'm going to select languages, for example, and then scroll through the available tasks right here. Let's say I will do tasks that are available in French. So for example here, French. Okay, freelance writer. So here you can view or read about the opportunity, what they are looking for as an experience, example of desirable expertise, the payment details, and so on. And here are the steps you can fill in the application, verify your identity, pass a skill assessment test, and start working. And here is the application information. Now, are you a native French speaker or you have a French as a second language to C1 or C2 levels? These are the levels of official French like language certificates. So yes, apply now. And here you can view the terms of use, acknowledge the privacy policy, and here check the understand that I will be entrusted with confidential information. I confirm that I am 18 years or older. And then here you can read the terms of use, acknowledge the privacy policy in order to check this box, and go ahead and submit and sign up with email. So once you continue all these steps, you will be able to join Outlier or sign up to Outlier.ai.